We're not just selling you something to make a dollar. We're selling you something because we know it's going to work, and we stand behind them. K3 Seeds is family-run, owned in southern Alberta, and what makes us special is that with the Kolk Farms side being a livestock production and the K3 Seed side being our seed production, customers know they can trust us when they come in the door and we're selling them something. It's because we are also producing it ourselves for our cattle production with Kolk Farms.
K3 Seeds, we took over the business in 2019, so we took it on from the Haney family. I guess at the outset we were renting the feedlot facilities and they were looking for a partner to invest their seed business to, and we saw it as an opportunity that kind of fit in with the rest of our existing business. So we produce and sell both through wholesale and retail direct to farmers, mostly cereal seed products, so fall rye, winter wheat, durum, spring wheat, barley. So we produce the seed, clean it here, sell it. We also run a cleaning facility, and we clean products for outside customers as well as ourselves.
Being in food production and agriculture, there is something really fulfilling about that. Because of our efficiencies and scale, we actually produce enough to feed 10,000 times more people than work here. In that sense, each person here is helping feed hundreds, if not thousands of people. And there's something a little bit inspiring about that.
Southern Alberta, especially for Lethbridge County, it's a can-do attitude, and there's a lot of challenges people are willing to take on, and the growth mindset that people really want to try and push the envelope on production and on what's possible.